Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. We are going to discuss the Reggae Boyz squad, potential squad. But let me make it clear from now, I'm not here to discuss who is in the squad because genuinely I don't know. Genuinely, I do not know. I have no clue. But what I want to discuss is the midfield. That should be one of the most important aspects of this team going into, should I say, squad selection. So thank you very much again, people, for tuning in. Please do the YouTube stuff in hitting the like button, hitting the subscriber button. Would really appreciate it if you do so. Share the content as well. But you know, like and subscribe. I think that's quite important at this present moment because a lot of you guys not hitting the subscriber button. No, let's get into the meat of the matter. All right. Now the Reggae Boyz squad announcement was set for Friday, November the 12th, but that changed to November the 8th. My apologies, but that changed to November the 9th. That Saturday, I think originally was 10 a.m., 11 a.m. In the morning. But most definitely, the important aspect that I really want to discuss with you guys today is the midfield. The midfield. Let me show you guys something. If we think, look at that midfield. Look at that midfield, people. Casey Palmer, Kara Anderson, Bobby Reed, Joel Atibadier, Tariq McGee. If we think that we can feel that midfield versus the USA, we are in serious problem. Serious problem. For me personally, I'm okay with the defenders. I think we even have too much defenders. So much that over the past couple of games, some of them haven't even featured. But guess the problem we're significantly short in? The midfield. And it reached a point in which for every game, all our midfielders are playing. Almost every game, all our midfielders are playing. Because we still are trying to work things out. We're still trying to work things out to find the best suited three in the middle of the park or two in the middle of the park, and we're suffering from that. And as I say again, you can see what we're stuck in defense, we're stuck in attacking third, but in midfield we are depleted. The problem that we're having here is we can't continue like this because how Steve McLaren wants to play, we need a stack midfield, just as though we have so much defenders. So what's going to happen, we might probably see like 3 less defenders and 3 more midfielders. I think that would actually bring forward a bit more balance to the team. I definitely believe that would bring a bit more balance to the team. I'm very, very worried about it. Let's have a look at this. Steve McLaren wants his team to at least to hold some level of possession of the ball. He wants his team to hold possession of the ball. Push the team back in your own half and play the ball up in the different thirds or different phases of play or different lines. But the problem that we're having here is the profile of players and how he wants to play, and then also the availability of players is a huge problem for Steve McLaren. Now, I don't know what his intents are. I don't know which player is going to recruit for this window. But what I do know for a fact is that midfield, let me show it to you again. This midfield is a no-no. We need minimum 3 more quality, top quality players in that position. And the reason why I'm doing this video right now is because certainly I'm not saying that we have to beat USA. I'm not saying that we will beat USA. I'm not saying that we're even going to lose to USA. What I'm saying is for us to do what Steve McLaren wants to do, we need better quality midfield. Yes, I know people are going to bring up the Isaac Hayden situation, and I'm still sticking my guns on the Isaac Hayden situation that at this present moment, I highly doubt he can really help us. He'll be just another body in the team, which don't make no sense. Just like how we stuck with defenders, which we're not even a player, not even get the opportunity to feature. Isaac Aiden coming, that's the same situation. When you can't tell me this, that, rated, he hasn't played football in such a long time, that me I watch. So which means he won't have the legs. He won't have the legs to partake in specifically a game like this. And the truth is, USA will have some level of possession. The problem is because of how Steve McLaren wants to play, he wants his team to be combative in midfield and dominate the middle of the park. Dominating the middle of the park can in some aspect give you a higher chance of winning the game. Now, if we're going to go bypass the middle of the park and go straight to attackers, USA have some really good defenders, which means that they might be able to nullify us in many, many ways. The problem, as I said, is having a proper or good midfield players can give us, can diversify our attack. We can attack in multiple ways and cause multiple problems for the USA team. But as it stands, as I say again, that midfielder we have cannot work. It cannot work. Now, who do I want to see in midfield? I would love to see Lewis Baker. I'm not sure if that's going to work. I'm not sure if that's going to happen. But I definitely want to see us at least bringing 3 quality, preferably at the level of English Premier League. If not, Championship. If not, League One. we need it. We need it. If not in England, if we can find anybody in Germany, find anybody in the Turkey League, find anybody anywhere else. But we need 2 quality or 3 quality. We need a central defensive midfielder. We need one of that for the USA game. We need a proper CDM for the US game. We need also probably 2 box-to-box or 2 number 8, they would call them. If we can get 2 CDM, fine by me. But we at least need 2 box-to-box who can complement this team. We need some proper ball handlers. I hear Ravel name being thrown around. That would be really good. We need someone of that quality, of that ilk, with that level of skill set to come and play. We haven't seen, well, yeah, he's playing fairly decent. I haven't seen any of his game. I personally, speak for myself, I haven't seen any of his game so far. But I do hear, based off the reports, that he's performing quite decent. He actually scored a goal recently as well. I still haven't seen the goal as yet. But certainly, this midfield, that's all I'm saying, this midfield just can't work. We need to improve. If we bring in Lewis Baker and Ravel Morrison, I'm comfortable with that. I'm very, very comfortable with that. Really comfortable. But we might see Ravel and Isaac. I don't know, people. Anyways, tell us what you think in the comment section, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV here. And like, share, and subscribe, as I say again. We're out. God bless. Boom. You know.